Healthy Valentine's Day. Treats. Indulge without guilt. Valentine's Day is all about celebrating love, and what better way to do that than by treating yourself and your loved ones to delicious yet healthy goodies. In this video, I'll show you some mouth-watering recipes that are not only perfect for Valentine's Day, but also promote health and well-being. From decadent dark chocolate treats to fruity delights, these recipes will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your healthy lifestyle. Get ready to indulge guilt-free this Valentine's Day with these nutritious and delicious treats. 1. Dark chocolate-covered strawberries. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can actually be good for your heart. Dip fresh strawberries into melted dark chocolate for a decadent yet nutritious treat. Optionally, sprinkle with chopped nuts or coconut flakes for added crunch and flavor. 2. Berry parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, such as raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries, and granola for a nutritious and satisfying dessert. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, while berries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Customize your parfait with your favorite toppings like honey or dark chocolate shavings. 3. Heart-shaped fruit kebabs. Cut watermelon, cantaloupe, and pineapple into heart shapes using cookie cutters. Thread the heart-shaped fruit pieces onto skewers for a festive and healthy Valentine's Day treat. Serve with a side of Greek yogurt or a honey-lime dipping sauce for added flavor. 4. Chocolate avocado mousse. Blend ripe avocados with cocoa powder, honey, and a splash of almond milk for a creamy and indulgent chocolate mousse. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and fiber, making this dessert both delicious and nutritious. Garnish with fresh berries or a sprinkle of cocoa powder for a beautiful presentation. 5. Nut butter stuffed dates. Remove the pits from dates and fill them with your favorite nut butter, such as almond or cashew butter. Dates are naturally sweet and high in fiber, while nut butter adds protein and healthy fats. Drizzle with a bit of melted dark chocolate for an extra special touch. Conclusion. With these healthy Valentine's Day treats, you can enjoy the holiday without sacrificing your health goals. Whether you're celebrating with a partner, friends, or indulging in some self-love, these recipes are sure to impress and delight. So go ahead, treat yourself guilt-free this Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Happy Valentine's Day!